Hello, Jeremy Blake Reality Training, and welcome to number 5 in my series on leaders' communication. And this is number 5, authority. All of these short films and tips are inspired by the work of Dr. Robert Cialdini and his 6 weapons of influence. So, authority. How can you use authority to persuade people to act, think, behave differently? Well, in his follow-up book, Persuasion, what he talks about is how your message that you deliver before you deliver the full message gets people to think and feel differently. This is persuasion, how they become more receptive to your main message. And I think authority works extremely well with this. So I'm going to give you 3 examples. Your business, your organization may be going through extreme change, a very tough time. You're moving back from this lockdown period where things are melting and you're trying to get the balance right between production, face-to-face meetings, remote working, and so on. Lots going on. So, what authority have you got in this? Well, I would ask you to think it might come in one of 3 areas. Previous experience. You could actually track back your previous experience of working in downturns, working in huge periods of change, and you could relay this to the people you're communicating with. I remember back in 1990, and I was working here, this is what we did. You share that you have knowledge and experience of a time. That is your authority. The second thing could be that you have been doing a certain piece of work around preparing for this, that you have been reading, you've been studying, you've been talking to, and you're getting across your authority that you've gone through a lot of analysis, discussion, preparation, testing, research, so on. This is proving you're an authority before you make rash decisions. So those are the 2 core ways. I think there is a third way, that you are drawing on others' authority, that you have spoken to certain people and you might be about to introduce them to them. You're going to show them a resource, you're going to show them a film, you'd like them all to read something, so you're sharing authority that you're prepped up on. You don't have to be the authority. It could be that you're bringing in other authorities, and so you're an authority on which authority can help you out. So folks, getting across your message as a leader that you're an authority or you've got access to authorities to help people through a situation means it's not just a gut feeling or a whim, it's something coming from a place of extreme knowledge. So embrace the power of using authority in your communication to get people to think, act, and behave differently. Thanks very much, Jeremy Blake. Reality training, results through inspiration.